Bahuli, and today we are gonna do the actual programming. So here you can see there are the three programs that we are gonna do. So let's begin with the first one. Okay, to print hello world. So this is Dev C++. You can also use Turbo C++. It's up to you, whichever you find comfortable. So just go in new. You have to press this icon, this and this. This is for opening a particular file from your saved ones, like you have made some of the sample examples in this software. So yeah, so we are gonna first print hello world. So include stdio.h. Then we are gonna write int main curly brackets. Then I told you guys print f, कुछ भी print करना हो just simply use printf. So we are gonna write hello world. And yeah, the most important, don't forget the semicolon. Okay, for running the program you can go on execute and compile and run. You have to enter a name for saving it. Give it as print 1. Oh, I wrote the spelling of mean as wrong, sorry. Now let's execute it. Yeah, so our hello world is here. The most favorite part of every programmer is this hello world. Let's go on to the next one. That's a biodata. We are gonna write is int main, okay, curly braces, print f, again it would be biodata, and we are gonna use a /n. Okay, so what is /n? /t is space, /n is new line. Okay, so /t we are gonna use whenever we are like we need some space between two words or a sentence. We are gonna use the /t, and if we want the content to be on the next line, we are gonna use the /n. Okay, so /n. Don't forget the semicolon, it's very important. Okay, so I'll just quickly copy this part. I'll keep it very simple. Okay. Okay, so let's give a name. Let's take it Tria. Okay. Then let's take her age. Let's give 23. Let's write her date of birth. She is probably 23 years now, so let's give her a solid date of birth, that is 1/1/2001. Whoa, what a good date, right? Then we are gonna write a qualification. Let's say she has done BCom. Okay, again let's take last sentence. This is just a simple example of printing something. Let's take about myself wala part. About myself. Let's write a very inspiring quote over here. So we'll probably write willing to work hard. For executing, we are again gonna go and execute, compile and run. You can also use F11, but yeah. So you can see our biodata is here. You might be wondering, what if I don't put this /n? Let's just remove this and let's see. चलो इतना करके देखते हैं. Compile and run. See the change. Everything is printed in one single line, and it's very difficult to actually understand what is written. So we'll do something else. Let's put a space between everything so it would be little clear. /t, again /t. Now let's just compile and run it again. You can see there is some sort of gap in between, right? So that is because of /t. Okay, let's move on to another one, declaration of variables. So actually I have made one sample of it. So let's do the next one, declaration of variables. Okay, so here I have done a sample example. We can see this declaration of variables. This is just a comment. You can also write this comment for your understanding. It will print nowhere in the output of this program. Okay, so int I is equal to 100. So here 100 is the value which is getting stored in the variable I, whose data type is int. Okay, so I've done this topic in the last video, and if you haven't watched the video about variables, format specifiers and data types, please watch it. Okay, so I'll give that link in the description, so do watch it. And so here basically we are gonna do is printf integer value %d. I had told her that %d is like it will tell the compiler that we are gonna store an integer value. Okay, so and here at the end you are gonna use the variable that you have used here. It is used basically to call the variable. Okay, so same goes with float, same goes with double, same goes with character. And here now there are two characters I have written here, right? So here I have written A and here I have written Ram. So here A is a character and Ram is a string because there are more than one alphabets included here. So of course this changes. Okay, %C, %S for string, and of course for calling we are going to use C here and we are going to use A here. So one more thing, here I have used this brackets may I have used 10. So what will this 10 do is, it is basically an array that we are gonna know, but I'll just give you an idea that it is like you can write alphabets up to 10. Okay, so this is like a limit you need to mention while writing a string values. Okay, so let's just run it and see. Compile and run. Don't forget to use this. Okay, so here it is our output. One more thing you guys must have noticed कि यहाँ पे I have not put any you can say here I've used this, what you can say is apostrophe, and here I have used quotation mark, and here I have used nothing. So you have to remember that whenever you are putting number values, you shouldn't put any quotation or anything, nothing. Just don't do anything. Just keep it simple. And when you're writing a single alphabet, use apostrophe, and then when you are writing a string value, it should be in quotation mark. Okay, hope you guys must have learned something from this. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. और इस thank you को थोड़ा बढ़ाते हैं. It's looking too छोटा सा बच्चा kind of. Thank you. Okay, ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया. Okay, thank you. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.